Hey loves, welcome back to my channel.
I just wanna live in a fantasy.
So today's gonna be a Sunday reset. I'm doing laundry right now. I already started off of camera, but after that I'm about to get rid of some clothes that I don't wear because yeah, it's just taking up room in my room. You know, it's taking up space in my room. So yeah, I'm gonna need to do that. But I just wanted to start vlogging for y'all, so I picked up my camera. But I'm gonna charge my camera a little bit more. I just wanted to do my intro. And then right now I have to put my clothes in the dryer. No, I'm gonna double dry. So I'm gonna take this bag and that one and see what I need and what I don't need and empty it out. I think I'm gonna give some stuff to the thrift. Thrifty.
I'm making big old flakes, stacking that Frito Lay just for my baby. My baby, that's my baby. My baby, go crazy, my baby.
I'm about to take a shower. She said, why you love her? I'm about to shower, guys, because it's too hot right now. I can't continue cleaning and not showering. I don't know, that's just me. I hope I didn't put my bonnet. I'm wearing the baby's bonnet. Yeah, I'm gonna shower. I can't. I'm too hot. I'm wearing my daughter's bonnet. It fits. It fits. Stretchy. Don't worry. See if it fits. I'll be back. Alright, Chad. This is bag number 2. I look crazy. I look mad big. Alright, this I'm keeping because this was my gender reveal dress. So, keeping that. Was it this one? I think so. Pillowcases, need that. These spandex, garbage. I feel like throwing this black sheet out too because it gets dust on it too much. I don't like that. So I don't need no more because the baby's big already. I might give it to Jules. Pillowcase, hair scarf. I could use that as a little, so I could do a style on my head. This is my little owl tapestry. This is a one piece. You can wear this to church. I have a green one too like this. That'll be cute for church. There's a little headscarf. Oh look, the green one is right here. This one is shorter though. Pillowcase, pink pillowcase. You know how to put pillowcases on? Can you do the pink one on that one? Thanks. This beanie about to go to garbage too. I don't like when I have black clothes and it has mad lint or hair on it. I do not like that. Garbage. I can wear this to church too with some slacks, little mom jeans. I have so many clothes. I don't know why I leave it in bags. Pillowcase. I have so many pillowcases. Pajamas. This is a dressy shirt I could wear. My little hat. These fit me dumb tight. Right. Cause she about to go crazy on me. You want some snacks? My little do-rag. What is this? This is mad linty, bro. And it's cute too. Guys, I need suggestions when it comes to stuff like this. Just lint everywhere. I know you can use a razor, but that's my work. I need to hang my jeans up for real. Cause they taking up space in my bags. What is this shirt? That's cute. I be having clothes I forgot about. That's how you know I don't go nowhere. This could go to the thrift. Cause I'm not gonna wear it. This dress, I'm fake tired of it. But it's comfortable. So I'm gonna keep it. Pillowcase, cardigan. One more. Socks. Here goes my other bonnet. I've been looking for this. I should throw this on. Gray sheet. See, I be having mad stuff and I just be forgetting. These are all clean. Panties. What's this? I don't want this no more. Nevaeh, you big already. You don't need that. You don't need that. Shirt, socks. What's this? Oh, a dress. I mean, a skirt. Ooh, this blue and pink. That got it. Right, Halo? My little sweat thing. I don't even wear it. Shirt. Sweat. More? I don't want this shirt. Thrift. Oh, my back is starting to hurt. Little scarf. See, I be looking for all my panties and they just be hiding. Nice and clean in bags. My other robe that I've been looking for. Here goes a shirt. I think I'm gonna post this video today at 6. Cause I posted one today earlier at 12. I don't even know what time it is right now. Use these. Nevaeh, these are yours? No, these are mine. My little ass feet. This shirt. More shirts I could wear to go to sleep. I love big shirts. No, this could go over here. Cause I'm gonna put this in my drawer. Oh, my back. Woo.
The color of the day is purple. Can you find the purple kite? You found it.
This I gave away or threw it out?
What's your favorite color?
Did I throw it out or give it away? I think I threw it out. Did I give it away? Oh, I gave it away. This is another cute one. This goes to my robe that I've been looking for as well. I have a lot, but then I don't. This is the one I gave birth in. This gray one is not comfortable. And I'll be like, I don't have clothes. And look, you got clothes.
Now it's my turn. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. This time around, fuck, I want it to be just yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she goes, they playing my song. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me. But so, yeah. So give me all of you.
Alright, chat, I need a break. I've been cleaning, separating clothes, washing, throwing clothes out. I'm tired. So this video might go up a little late today. What time is it? It's 3:24. I got 3.5 hours to post. So I could probably get the video done. I don't know. It might be like 10 minutes long. Alright, y'all. It is currently 4:30 p.m. I'm drying my clothes now. I'm about to cook real quick. I made the chicken yesterday, but I didn't fry it yet. I just seasoned it. So I'm gonna fry it today. I'm gonna make yellow rice with peppers and beans. So the peppers is frozen already, but I got these because 1, they taste the same, and 2, I'm too lazy to cut right now. So I don't know, I just been tired lately. So right now I'm about to just wash the rice and then put it to cook. And I was gonna make my daughter a bottle, but she fell asleep. I'll probably just make it now and put it in the fridge. So dang, I need water for her. Let me text my mother. Mix her milk with water because one time she was constipated and I felt mad bad. So I just put water in it. Just put it in the fridge until she gets up. I'm tired. Eyeball it. We're gonna move it into the pot. Peppers. These peppers are still frozen. And I could put it in a container. My finger hurt because I broke my nail. Sharp. Pepper smells so good. I'm gonna rinse it and then put it in. I need a bowl. I don't even know all that. Just put a handful. Some onions. There was some onions up in there. I wish I had cilantro. Put that in there. And then, so, y'all lost me. Sorry. You found me again. Anyway, we're gonna use Sassoon, the Loisa brand, however you pronounce that, and the other one. I feel like with the Sassoon, you have to use a lot when it comes to this brand. Onion, we're starting dinner early because I don't got time. Pepper, Italian, like, did I put garlic? I don't even know if I put garlic. And then pink salt. And also some olive oil. You just stir it up over here. This thing is just retarded. I think it needed more, just a tad bit. Then you close that, plug it, start. So that's that for this part. I think I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm eating, I guess. I'll show y'all my plate, something, I don't know. But this Sunday reset is gonna be a short video because the day is speeding up real quick. So, and then the beans I'm gonna do in a smaller pot. That's gonna be off camera. I don't need to see all that. Y'all know how to cook. Y'all don't need me. Alright, I'm gonna get back to y'all though. Just look at this. You want some?
You'll tell them about us.
I think she's the one that's gonna make it.
She looks sick.
Oh, well, I wouldn't even want a homemaker.
The rice is decent.
There's more rice there. Probably take some with tomorrow for lunch.
They say she get it from her mama. Mama say you fuck her right, body builders.